The Caterpillar 6015B Excavator is one of the most powerful and efficient heavy-duty machines on the market, designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease. On King Bike USA, we don't just look at bikes, we explore all kinds of machinery that showcases cutting-edge engineering and performance. Today, let's dig into what makes the Caterpillar 6015B such a standout in the world of construction and heavy-duty equipment. The 6015B excavator is built to handle large-scale mining and construction work with incredible power and efficiency. First, let's talk about its heart, the engine. Powered by a Cat C27 ACERT engine, this excavator boasts 813 horsepower. That means it's ready to take on massive loads without compromising speed or efficiency. The engine is not just about raw power, it's engineered to reduce fuel consumption, providing optimal efficiency while still being environmentally conscious. This powerful engine also means that the 6015B can handle intense work cycles with ease, which is crucial in demanding mining operations where reliability is key. The 6015B's hydraulic system is also a standout feature. Caterpillar has fine-tuned this system to ensure that each movement is smooth and precise, offering great control even under heavy loads. This is critical when maneuvering in tight spaces or when loading trucks with precision. The hydraulic system is designed to work seamlessly with the excavator's structure, so operators can dig, lift, and swing with maximum efficiency and stability. This fine-tuned hydraulic system gives the operator a level of control that allows them to tackle even the most delicate tasks with ease, which is impressive for a machine of this size and power. Another key feature of the Caterpillar 6015B is its bucket capacity. The standard bucket holds an impressive 8.1 cubic yards, which allows for a faster fill rate and increased productivity. Imagine being able to move tons of material in a single pass. That's what this excavator is capable of. It means fewer cycles to get the job done, which saves time and cuts down on operational costs. This kind of capacity is especially useful in mining and large construction projects, where time and efficiency are everything. Comfort and safety haven't been overlooked in the 6015B either. Caterpillar has designed the cab to be ergonomic and spacious, giving operators a comfortable environment that reduces fatigue over long work shifts. The cab has features like climate control, adjustable seating, and low noise levels, making it one of the most operator-friendly environments in the industry. This focus on comfort doesn't just benefit the operator, it also means better productivity, as workers can focus on the task without unnecessary strain. The safety features are another major highlight. Caterpillar has equipped the 6015B with advanced safety systems, including cameras for increased visibility, handrails, and non-slip surfaces. These features ensure that operators are as safe as possible, which is critical in mining and heavy construction environments. The visibility from the cab, along with the high-performance lighting, also enhances safety when operating in low-light conditions, making it a reliable choice for any worksite. Finally, Caterpillar has made maintenance straightforward with the 6015B. With easy access to major components and centralized lubrication points, the time spent on maintenance is minimized. This translates to less downtime, more hours on the job, and ultimately higher productivity. Caterpillar's reputation for durability and reliability shines through in the 6015B, as it's built to handle the toughest environments while keeping maintenance needs low. In the world of heavy machinery, the Caterpillar 6015B stands out for its powerful performance, reliability, and thoughtful design. This excavator is a true workhorse that combines efficiency with comfort and safety, making it a top choice for serious construction and mining professionals. Whether you're moving tons of earth, loading massive trucks, or just in awe of powerful machinery, the Caterpillar 6015B is a machine that deserves attention. For those who appreciate engineering marvels and industry-leading equipment, it's clear that this excavator is in a league of its own. If you're a fan of powerful machines like this and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to King Bike USA. We bring you the best in bikes, machines, and everything in between.